Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is November weekly reading from November 16th to November 22nd. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries fire sign. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. Under the deck, the star, maybe you're dealing with Aquarius. Six of Pentacles, Temperance, maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius here. And Queen of Cups. You have very strong emotions towards your person, Aries. And right now you want to balance things within yourself. You are being very patient in these recent times. And you are balancing your finances here. And you are getting some help from someone. Maybe in career wise, maybe in finances wise, there is some help is coming in your way. There is some wish fulfillment for you. Your wishes are going to be granted because the star, maybe you want to hoping something good in your life. Maybe you're wishing, maybe you're hoping for something and it is going to be happen. Let's see your reading. Recent past, Nine of Pentacles, Four of Wands and Page of Wands. So in recent past, you were on your power. You achieved financial stability and there was some stability in your life, maybe in your career life or in your relationship wise. Everything was okay in recent past. Financially and relationship wise, there was stability. And there was some communication between you and your person in recent past. Maybe there was some age difference between you and your person. Then present, the hangman, the fool and the sun. Right now you're feeling stuck, but you want to be in this full energy, going with the flow and living in the present moment. You want to take leap of faith and there is some big happiness is coming in your way because the sun card is here. When you choosing yourself, when you be in your energy, definitely there will some change is coming. And the sun with full big changes which are very positive are coming. Then future, King of Swords, Eight of Swords and Seven of Swords. So someone playing games with you in future. Maybe you're feeling stuck. Maybe you have some fears regarding in your life, some part of your life. But there are some trust issues involved here. Seven of Swords. Someone is sneaky in this relationship. Maybe according to me, it's your person. That's why you want to take the control of the situation here. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Aries, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, Seven of Swords. So this person is not trustworthy, guys, for some, because two times we got Seven of Swords card. So definitely they are hiding something from you, or there was miscommunication or false communication, or for some they're playing games with you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions right now, how they're feeling about you. Aries. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces, water sign, So let's say their intentions also. Maybe you are dealing with Leo, fire sign. Under the deck, Three of Cups, Three of Pentacles, Queen of Wands and Ten of Wands. Maybe your person have a lot of responsibilities in their life. That's why maybe they are not giving time to you. Maybe they are hiding something from you. Queen of Wands. But now they will really want to take action and they want some partnership and they really want to work on this relationship. But for some third party involved here. So their current feelings, the Moon, the Tower and High Priestess. So again, trust issues involved here. You and your person have some arguments, some fightings. Or your person going through something in their life right now. And their intention, Six of Swords, the Sun and Ace of Swords. But they want to communicate with you. They want to fix things with you. That's why they want to give clarity, Ace of Swords with the Sun. So they're thinking about it in a very positive way. That's why they want to fix things with you. There is communication is coming in your way. Maybe they're trying to fix things with you, but it's up to you because we got Seven of Swords twice. So be careful what to do, what not to do. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Two of Cups, it's mutual. And yeah, now they really want to offer stability and they recognize that you are their soulmate. But again, be careful, we got again Seven of Swords. That's why a lot of trust issues involved here. You are not trusting this person. Yeah, you decided to walk away because a lot of trust issues involved here because this person is always in and out of your life. There is no stability. And your person, maybe for some any brand new person is entering in your life to offer this Ten of Cups to you. Yeah. And for some, a past person is returning to you, but you decided to walk away and you decided to end relationship with this person. Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio here. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Aries. Yeah, lots of you are in separation, a lot of spying is going. For some kids also involved in this relationship. Yes, this relationship is in a very weak position, like you are doing your own thing and they are coming back, but you are not going to give another chance. Lots of you, maybe some of you will, it depends on your situation here. But right now the connection situation is like this. It was almost ended and you are on your power Empress mode. Yes, but they are waiting on you, but lot of issues involved here. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aries. I'm crazy about you. Second chance in toxic person. Yes, toxic person. We got this message also. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius here. And a time for healing for some who are going through some emotional or trauma. This is the time for healing for you. And under the deck, a new start is coming, new moon. So for some, a new start is coming, especially when new moon is going. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonate to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.